it's me, SockFox260. I want to just show you my dog. Booger. Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Okay. Are you mad at me for waking you? Are you mad? Is Honey bad? Okay. I'll leave you alone. I love you. Mwah. Just go back to sleep. Is that you in the mirror? He's all curled up. Where's your toy, Bogo? Where's your toy? Oh, go get your toy. Bogo, did you forget your toy? Bogo forget his toy. Okay. Well, that is my dog. Bogo. I love him. This is a little toy. It's a little Beanie Boo I have off. So, good night, Bojo.